I'm trying to get all this content for y'all.
Appreciate y'all coming through, man. All the drivers, all the spectators, everybody alike.
But it's cold and this ain't black folks weather.
We're still here. It's 40 degrees out here. What are y'all thinking, man?
All right, looks like we got our first team lined up. This is Team HERT in the paint. Ford Bus, there's a couple of LS cars in there, followed by the LS 32. That is Team HERT in the paint, though. That was pretty impressive there. Look out, y'all! There's one pass. Ben almost taking off the rear bumper of Vaughn. Chelsea heavy level right now. This is reckless. It's only going to end one way. That little BMW's got Reagan Master rear wheels too. Those rear wheels are.
Coming out here is Clifford. You remind me of something on the backside. Unless you really want me. All right.
I can't film or nothing. I'm trying to get all this content for y'all, but it's cold and this ain't black folks weather. But I'm out here. Yeah.
Appreciate y'all coming through, man. All the drivers, all the spectators, everybody alike. That shit was cool as hell. You know, so I can't thank y'all enough. I know these look stupid, but they're supposed to. So these are the trophies for the winners of the day, and we got your $1,800. Yeah.
There you go. Yeah.
That's the sound of money. Hell yeah, thank y'all, man. We're still here. It's 40 degrees out here. What are y'all thinking, man?
First Nappy Boy Automotive, right? Y'all first event. Filled it up. I ain't never seen Lanier Racetrack packed. Never. How does it feel?
I mean, it feels amazing. I haven't been to a lot of events here. I haven't been to a lot of events here, but this track is actually really amazing. The way you can turn it into whatever you want it to be.
Right.
The venue is just spot on, so I'm stoked to be able to have a place like this to throw our event. And for all these people to come and support it on a 35-degree weather day,
Oh, yeah.
it makes it even more special, man. It's been amazing. I feel great.
I appreciate that, man.
Thank you. Everyone who came, thank you so much.